What is going on YouTube? It's your neighborhood redneck back at you again. What is there to say? Man, I hope everybody's healthy and staying safe out there. But in other news, I got another product in from Amazon today, from Kingwin. It's a 5-in-1 card reader with 3 USB hubs on the front. Let's take a minute and dive into it and check it out. Alright, I'm back at you here. I got this super speed all-in-one USB 3.0 card reader here from Kingwin. Let's get it opened up. I bought this one because hopefully it's a lot faster. It's claiming 5 gigabytes a second, I think, depending on what it's connected to and what you're transferring it to also. So no other packaging, just the block and the cable. I'm not sure what that connector there is, but USB 3.0. Anyway, right away I noticed it's got a little bit of weight to it. It's got rubber pads here on it. Right away I see that it's got the 3 USB 3.0s, your CF card, micro SD card, an SD card, an M2 card, and an MS card, I believe. They claim to have top performance here for design and optimal performance and speeds. We'll do a couple tests using the old way I used to transfer it was through this one. Oops. Oop. 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 And it's kind of a hassle, and I'd like to have 3 USB ports right here next to my monitor. Easy to get to, easy to use. Looks like it's got a LED light here on the front. But we'll run some tests and see if this or this is faster. So I got it plugged in, getting ready to run some tests and stuff. To start off with, let's try this USB 3.0 out. Took my phone is charging, but it is not fast charging. So that's a bummer, but I do have charge support there, and I can plug in many other things. Alright, let's put an SD card in, and then we'll run some tests. That LED there is pretty bright. About blinds you. Good thing it points up in the air. So, fits right there nicely next to my monitor, easy to reach. I don't have to reach up on top of my case or fiddle around on the back looking for a USB port or an SD card slot. It's right there. So here on the screen you can see our test results here, and of course with the win on the left is Kingwin versus my USB SD card plug-in tool that I was using. My speeds were way faster moving the same 4K footage versus the USB stick. So I'm pretty happy with the results of that. They peaked pretty high at some points and overall ran consistently faster. So check it out on the link in the description below, and keep on watching, see what's coming. Thanks for watching.